Hello everyone. In the last video, we understood what SEO is and why it is important in 2026. Now let's understand something very important. When you search for anything on Google, how does Google actually find the right websites and show them to you within seconds? Let's understand this step by step. What does a search engine do? The main job of a search engine is simple: to show users the best and most relevant results. Whenever someone searches for something, Google tries to give the most useful and accurate answer. But the question is, where does Google get all this information from? The answer is based on 3 simple steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. 1. Crawling. Discovery process. The first step is crawling. Google uses special bots called crawlers or spiders. These bots move across the internet from one page to another using links. Their job is to discover new pages and check existing ones. If your website is not properly linked, the crawler may not even find it. 2. Indexing. Storing the information. After crawling comes indexing. In this step, Google stores your page in its database. You can think of it like a huge digital library. Here, Google analyzes your content, your text, images, headings, and structure. If Google finds your content useful, only then it adds it to the index. And if your page is not indexed, it will never appear in search results. 3. Ranking. Final decision. Now comes the most important step: ranking. When a user searches for something, Google looks into its index, finds the most relevant pages, and shows them in order. This is where Google decides which page should appear at the top and which one should appear below. Google uses more than 200 factors to decide rankings. For example, content quality keywords, backlinks, page speed, user experience. And the page that is most helpful gets the highest position. Let's take a simple example. You search best running shoes for beginners. Now what does Google do? It finds related pages from its index. It compares them and shows the most useful one at the top. This entire process is called ranking. Important note. Here's one important thing to remember. If you want your website to rank, 3 things are necessary. Your website should be crawlable, your content should be indexed, and your content quality should be strong enough to rank. If even one of these is missing, ranking becomes difficult. Let's quickly recap. Crawling. Google discovers pages, indexing. Google stores and understands them. Ranking. Google shows the best pages on top. So now you clearly understand how search engines actually work. This entire process decides whether your website appears on Google or not. In the next video, we will talk about Google algorithms, the system that decides which page ranks and why. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.